arrive in style with this 2010 Ford F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front side airbag, pass-through rear seat, front head airbag, passenger vanity mirror, engine immobilizer, rear-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, and AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.